This is lesson 7-7, and we are going to find the area of pyramids. So it is important for us to notice what type of pyramid it is. If I'm looking at this purple pyramid, it says there are 4 identical faces. So that means the faces are going to be the same. They are all triangles, and the faces are equilateral triangles. So equilateral triangles just means that the length of each side is the same, but that's not really as important because we have to look at the base and the height. So we have 4 triangles here. So if I wanted to make the net, you could sketch out the net, or we can just think of it as, okay, we have 1 triangle here, and then there's going to be 4 identical faces. So first, let's find the area of that 1 triangle. So we have the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Okay, so now I'm going to look at my picture. Well, my base is 4. So I have 4 times my height, let's look at the arrow here, is 3.5. So 4 times 3.5 divided by 2. So I'm going to put that into my calculator. My area of my triangle is, so it's the area of 1 triangle, 1 base of this 3-dimensional shape. 4 times 3.5 divided by 2 is 7. Okay, so that just tells us that 1 face is 7. Well, if I have 1 face of 7 there, another face of 7 here, I have 7 on the back and 7 on the bottom, that means that I have 7 triangles with an area, I have 4 triangles with an area of 7, right? I have 4 identical triangles. So then to find the area of this pyramid, I can do 7 times 4, which is equal to 28 meters squared. So now let's look at this net of the square pyramid. If we look at the net, we see the square base, so we'll have to find the area of the square. And then we see 4 triangular sides, so we'll have to find the area of the triangles. So the area of a square is base times height. Area of a triangle, base times height, divided by 2. You should be writing this in your notebook. So now we have to figure out what is the base of the square. So I can look in the picture of the shape, or I can look at the net and I can count the boxes here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have a base of 4 and a height of 4. So the area of the square will be what? The area of the square is 4 times 4. The area of the square is 16 centimeters squared. So now I'm going to erase that. And I find it helpful to write 16 in the middle and circle it, just like when we were finding the area of the polygons, right? This way I can see what I have found the area of. So now I'm going to find the area of the triangles. So again, my base is going to be 4. So the base is 4 for the triangle. The height, look in the picture. What's the height of the triangle? The height of the triangle is 3. So now let's plug that into our formula. The area of the triangle is 4 times 3 divided by 2. So the area of the triangle, the area of 1 triangle, is 6 centimeters squared. So we have 16 as the area of the square, and then we have 6 as the area of the triangle. So I have 16 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, right? So we would have 16 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, which is the same thing as saying, oh, well, that's going to be 6 times 4, and then add your 16. So I would have 24 plus 16, which is 40 centimeters squared. So that means the surface area of the whole square-based pyramid is 40 centimeters squared. Okay, we're going to try one more. We're going to try number 4 here. So it says each side, and you can sketch this in your notebook, each side of the base of a square pyramid is 4 inches. So I'm going to start by making my square, and I will have 4 and 4, right? All the sides are 4. Then it says the height of each triangular face is 3 inches. So I'm also going to have to make triangles. How many triangles will I have on this square pyramid? I will have 4 triangles with a height of 3. Okay, so I will find the area of 2 shapes here. First, I will find the area of the square, which is base times height. Then I will find the area of the triangle, which is base times height divided by 2. So what is the area for the square? The area for the square is 16 centimeters squared. 4 times 4 is 16. My area for a triangle, what's the area for one triangle here? Well, the area for the triangle will be 4 times 3 divided by 2. So the area of the triangle is 6 centimeters squared. So what is the total surface area for this pyramid? Well, I will have 16 plus, hey, we just did this one. 16 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. My answer is 40 centimeters squared. How funny, I didn't even realize this was the same problem that we just did. We will do more practice tomorrow.